Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're providing you with a simple step-by-step walkthrough on how to log in to Merrill Edge. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, this guide has got you covered. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience. Step 2. Go to the Merrill Edge website in the address bar, type in merrilledge.com and press enter. This will take you to the official Merrill Edge homepage. Step 3. Locate the login section. On the top right corner of the homepage, you will see the login button. Click on this button to access the login page. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will be directed to the login page where you need to enter your credentials. Input your user ID and password in the designated fields. Make sure there are no typos, as these details are case sensitive. Step 5. Enable Remember Me, optional. If you are using a personal device and want to save your login information, you can check the Remember Me box. This option will help you log in faster next time. Step 6. Click on the Login button. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. If the details are correct, you will be taken to your Merrill Edge account dashboard. Step 7. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you forget your user ID or password, click on the respective links provided on the login page to reset your credentials. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.